Crypto knowledge. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about USD coin, or USDC for short. So, what is USD coin, and how does it work? Let's go. USDC is a type of cryptocurrency that's pegged to the US dollar. This means that for every USDC token that's issued, there's an equivalent amount of US dollars held in reserve. So, in theory, the value of USDC should always be equal to $1. USDC is what's known as a stable coin, which means that it's designed to maintain a stable value. Unlike other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can have very volatile prices, USDC is meant to be a reliable and consistent store of value. One of the key benefits of USDC is that it's very easy to use. You can buy and sell USDC on various cryptocurrency exchanges, and you can also use it to make payments and transfer money around the world. Because USDC is based on blockchain technology, transactions can be processed quickly and securely. Another benefit of USDC is that it's transparent. Every USDC transaction is recorded on the blockchain, which is a digital ledger that's shared among all the participants in the network. This means that anyone can see exactly how much USDC is in circulation, how much is held in reserve, and how many transactions are happening. USDC is increasingly being used for a wide range of purposes, including online purchases, remittances, and peer-to-peer payments. It's also becoming popular among businesses that want to hold digital dollars in their treasuries. So, in summary, USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable and consistent store of value. It's transparent, easy to use, and increasingly being adopted by businesses and individuals around the world. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. See you next time. Thanks for watching.